In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to see Snapchat watch history. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Now click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. Once you're in the profile page, click on the settings icon. Now scroll through the options. You won't find the option of watch history. You'll notice that Snapchat does not provide a full watch history feature like other apps, which means you cannot see a complete list of all the videos or stories you have watched. This is because Snapchat is designed to prioritize privacy and temporary content. However, you can still view limited activity related to your own post. For example, if you upload a story, you can go back to it, open the story, and then swipe up on the screen. Snapchat will then show you a list of people who have viewed your story, which is the closest feature to a watch history that the app provides. So, while you cannot track everything you watch on Snapchat, you can still see who viewed your own content. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.